So here I got some components from online. I got 500 grams of components, and they're mostly resistors, LEDs, and there's some other random stuff as well. So I also got these little solar panels. These little solar panels. That one I don't know if it will work or not. But I got this, and you can see the plus and the minus on it, and the connection where the other wire comes on. And this is the bag of stuff I got. All that. And I got these capacitors as well. These capacitors all look good so far anyway. And these are scrap capacitors. I don't know if they work or not. I'll have to go through them sometime. And here's some stuff I got from an LCD TV. An LCD TV I got these from. And these are some LEDs and some bulbs that I got. And there's some MOSFETs here. This might be a MOSFET. I'm not too sure. It might be. And what else did I get? I got some switches as well somewhere. I got switches here as well. And I got a copper coil. I got that, and I got another one as well. So I should be able to do more projects with them. So thanks for watching. Like, share, follow and subscribe.